guys, so after a long, hard road, you will not believe where we're at and what's here. A 350Z and Evan Shanks somehow made it here. With good oil pressure, lots of love, lots of knowledge, lots of hard work.
Yeah.
So what are you doing?
So we're connecting up right now. He's got a code on right now. I know that there was like a knock sensor wire in it that was damaged. And
Yeah.
So that's definitely got to get
Fixed.
deleted, fixed, and maybe we've done no tuning adjustments right now, and I might do a couple quick little things to give it a little power bump. But let's see what code we got on right now.
Hey, that's cool with me. And you deleted all the traction control and all that good stuff already?
Yeah, you should see my sick ass switch I got in there.
You can close it. You can close it and open it. You don't even know it's there.
Nice.
Spray
I just say, it doesn't look like it's shredded.
Pop it back on there.
It got out.
It's like the sun feels good, but that wind is chilly.
It'll probably in like an hour or two, it'll probably feel like really good.
Yeah.
Once you get used to the ridiculous cold.
Wah, wah.
Oh my god. Wow. She got it?
Go.
I'll get it up. I'll get it up.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey! I got
Hey! You had to go pee so bad. So bad. Straight to the porta potty.
Oh my god.
God.
We're going straight out on track. Like,
No.
damn, Casey didn't waste any time.
No,
Going right out to the track.
That's what we said. I said he's just going straight out there.
I was just like, oh my god, get there right now, get there right now, get
Yeah.
there right now. What's up, guys?
What up? All right, boys, here we go. From blown motor to ripping tires. Do it, boy. Do it, boy. Oh, no.
Yeah, that's a known find.
What happened? It going in limp mode or something?
I don't know. I don't know. I'll clutch kick and floor it, and it just goes.
Don't,
That's fine.
what about like, have you just driven it, in a straight line and felt like it has power fine like that?
I'll try that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so we need to
go
know,
rivet on
is
the
it-
back stretch.
Is it
I'm
not?
just gonna drive it.
Yeah. And check engine light is not on.
No.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah, go see if it has power when you're, just traveling straight and not. Well, it's something with the traction control, VDC, all that BS. I think we're gonna actually unplug the whole ABS unit here in a minute.
Yeah.
And that should
Completely get rid of
this,
it.
yeah.
Yeah, just squash it. We don't need no stinking traction
I
control.
could definitely be wrong, but I talked about this whatever. I'm just like, just
Take the ABS.
unplug its ability to do any kind of intervening in. Yeah.
Yeah.
That.
There you go. There you go. All right, now goes Casey. And then there's our other boy. Ethan actually tuned every single 3 cars in this shot right now.
That's burnout.
Dude, look at what happened to his car.
Oh, the bumper's coming off.
His zip tires broke.
Casey, did you break another bumper?
His zip tires broke.
Casey!
Is that your snow pile right there?
No, that was whatever.
We've got flames! We literally have flames. Love you. I'm coming!
Get in.
Let's do this!
Safety first.
Safety first.
My driver's gonna plow next.
Good.
One of these, I think this tire's dead. Every time I try and switch that way, it just dies. Oh, whoops. Yeah, every time I try and do that switch over, I just lose traction. So I think that tire's next. I haven't switched it yet.
It's definitely the Zia Miata gang today out here.
They're good cars, dude. They're
Yep.
easy.
Great platform. Well, this thing went from absolutely nothing to here we are driving this thing.
Driving the piss out of it.
So do you feel proud yet?
Oh, what, huh?
You feel proud yet?
Oh yeah. I'm psyched. I'm pretty sure that's my tire he just kicked out.
Yeah. Let's do this. Great save back there.
Oh, thank you. Little left foot braking. I don't have this e-brake doesn't work, so I'm literally only clutch kicking.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's not coming out of first. Okay. I need to bleed
that
my.
was a nice
I
save.
need to bleed my clutch. Sometimes it doesn't come out of first.
Yeah.
I wish I had a left foot cam. My left foot's been doing more work.
What?
Keep the change. Yeah, you heard me correctly.
Yeah. What, your left foot?
My left foot's been doing a lot of work today. I wish I had a camera.
Oh, that's a tire. Listen to it. Pop it. Yeah. Nice. Nice. No!
What? What did it say?
He goes, I was right on your ass.
Yeah, I know. Oh man.
I think it's still got another lap in it.
Oh, for sure. I don't have very much traction anymore, but it's fine. Hey, my tires are like dead. Yeah, no traction. Nice. Good hands. Nice. I have no traction.
0.
All right, time to go in.
Time to go in. No traction, tires about the bottom. No, the car was started and you just heard that. It sounds like a cricket in the corner of like your front porch.
Bad.
Oh, there goes.
He loves that e-brake. I'm on my last tire, bro.
Me too. Let's just send it.
Yeah.
Full send.
Nope.
Nope.
Nope. What?
Okay.
Well, I got 10 psi more in my left rear, and it's not.
I don't hear a cone.
Cone?
Where is it?
There you go.
Damn it, we want to drift, but we have a cone.
It's hard to even tell where you're going anymore because the cones have been hit so much.
Got it?
No seatbelt. Oh man, that weight transfer, dude. I'm still getting used to that. See, if I
Well, you probably wouldn't have had much weight transfer if I had my seatbelt on. I would have been transferring all my weight to you.
I'm so used to being able to grab a hydro at those points where
Yeah,
it kind of
especially
like,
with the SC.
yeah, I kind of hurt myself learning with the hydro. This is fun doing it this way. It's like
Yeah, it is.
it's
You
like,
got to learn.
It's basic. It's way harder.
If
but
you can't do it this way,
you can do it anyway.
you can do it anyway.
Let's go a different way this time.
It felt like a transition where you needed the hydro too. You know what I mean? Like it felt natural to grab it. That was good. Perfect hand control too.
Thank you. I'm doing a lot of, dude, it's like,
You're having to
I've
do
never
a lot
done
of
so
work.
much left foot braking in my life, but it's like, it helps a lot.
When you get to a car where you're having to do a lot of left foot braking,
I honestly feel like I could drive my Lexus 10 times better now because of this car.
yep. Sound is good.
Dude, these are gone. These tires are gone.
They're just gone. Oh, there's a drone
Yeah,
out
I
of
see
nowhere.
All right, tires are done for the day. Casey's done for the day. cars are loaded up. Ethan's actually working.
What? Oh, like I even just.
And we're going to Chili's. Time to go to Chili's. All right, Ethan's feeling generous for the holiday season, so what are we doing here at Trackstar?
So I'm gonna run a little bit of an offer for you guys, help you out on the tuning. I'm gonna do $50 off any tune, regardless whether it's Honda, HP tuners, you know, standalone, whatever it is, $50 off. Now, if you really have brought me a car, if you've done your job right and you've brought me a car that I don't have to wrench on, I'll do $100 off.
Man, that's a killer deal.
Please bring me the cars that don't need wrenching, that don't need extra peripheral work.
Absolutely. Please. So how can they get a hold of you, and how long is this special running?
We're going to run this right now, maybe even a little after Christmas, but shoot me a message on Facebook Messenger is the best way to get in contact, get something scheduled in. Usually need a few days heads up to schedule a tune in, but just shoot me a message and we'll talk about what you have, maybe what you need, and try to get you in and tackled in and out.
All right, that works, guys. Well, hey, we're looking forward to working on your cars. If you want to get a hold of us for a tune from this awesome guy, make sure you hit us up on Facebook Messenger or the Trackstar Mediaworks Insta if you have to, and we'll see y'all next episode.